Hi everyone. Recently, there was a referendum happened in Russia, and in that referendum, Russians granted their president the right to extend his rule until 2036. Okay, which means that this president is strongly backed by his voters. And if you are checking the details, this referendum was on the constitutional reforms, and in that constitutional reform there is a provision in which that will be keeping the president in power until 2036. Okay, so actually in Russia, the tenure of or one term of presidentship is 6 years. Okay, so likewise a person can continue in the president seat for 12 years. 6 plus 6 equal to 12 years. So 2-year tenure is possible for any person. But now what happened in this constitutional reform is this will be extended for 12 more years. Okay. So already the current president Putin has finished, or he will be finishing 12 years in 2024. He had already completed 1 term, and he is now in the second term, and that second term will be finished in 2024. And now this constitution has been amended, and another 12 years he can stay in that seat. Okay, that is again 6 plus 6, 2 more terms he can serve as a president of the Russia. Okay, so this is what is happen, or this is one of the provisions in that constitutional reforms. Actually, this provision has been already ratified by the parliament. Okay, and all other regional legislatures across the country, and this has become a law a month ago. Now they have taken this amendment in the form of a referendum for the people, and this referendum has been supported by the people. In that, about 78% people have supported changing the constitution, and about 21% voted against. Okay, so the president Putin is having age of 67, and he will be able to rule Russia until the age of 83. And actually he has ruled Russia for more than 2 decades, like about 20 years, because he was the prime minister of Russia before this president post, and after that he became president. Then he served the country as a president for 2 terms, that is about 12 years, and now again he is extending his president post for more 2 more terms, that is 12 years again. So up to 2036 he can serve the country as a president. Okay, again if he is getting elected again. Okay, and this referendum was about for about 7 days, 7-day national plebiscite, and in that the result is like that most of the people supported for changing the constitution. So this changes has been made, and in the conduction of this election, the commission said that the voter has been transparent and the officials had done everything to ensure its integrity. But the opposition says that the vote is an illegitimate and illegal show designed to legalize Putin's presidency for life. And what they said is that they will be never recognizing the result. Okay, so opposition is telling the correct opposition of what the commission has been arguing for. What commission has said that it is completely transparent, and opposition is saying that this was completely illegitimate. Okay, and also opposition said that they will not be protesting for now because of the novel coronavirus pandemic. Okay, so in that constitutional reforms there was some more points or some more provisions was there, like increase in pension amount, ban on same-sex marriage, and guaranteed minimum wage for citizens, etc. So almost all of them were very appealing for the public. So it is believed that all of that provisions were included in that constitutional reform, along with this change in the president tenure also. So with the wide appealing of that other provisions, this change in the term of president term is also got approved. So that maybe people are saying that that was just a all this provision has been placed in that constitutional reform only to get that president tenure extended. Okay, so that was there, an argument is there like that, and another argument is there like President Putin want to extend his period unarguably. That is why he has changed this constitution for extend his term only. Anyway, the thing is that president of Russia, that is Putin, will be contesting for the election. He never said that he will be again contesting for election, but what the public says or the opinion is that he will be contesting again for the election, and he will be remaining as the president for another 12 years. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.